Dear students, it is hope that you all will be very fine. You all are welcomes to Pakistan International School Doha, Qatar for e-learning program. Dear students, this is lecture number 1 of week number 7 for the subject of Social Studies 4, Class 5. We are in lesson number 2. Its title is World Climate. Dear students, today's topic is Climate of Pakistan. It's an interesting and important topic. Being Pakistani, we must know and understand climate of Pakistan. So, be attentive throughout the lecture. The learning objective of this lecture is students will be able to 1. Understand the main features of climate of Pakistan. 2. Demonstrate their understanding. 3. Write answers of questions of the given worksheet. Dear students, before we proceed, I want to ask a question, that what is meant by climate? Yes, brainstorm and come up with answers. Take your time and recall, we discussed in our previous lectures. Well, students, climate is the long-term average of weather, typically averaged over a period of 30 years or more. Got it? That climate is the long-term average of weather. Well, students, here is another question. That what do you know climate of Pakistan? Yes, brainstorm and come up with answers. Take your time and recall. Climate of Pakistan is the long-term average of weather, typically averaged over a period of 30 years or more in the areas and regions of Pakistan. This was about the climate of Pakistan. Well, another question is, what do you know about the main features of the climate of Pakistan? Yes, dear brainstorm. Well, don't worry, here are some points to describe the main features of the climate of the Pakistan. 1. Pakistan lies just to the north of the Tropics of Cancer. Here the point is very important, that towards the north of Tropic of Cancer, as we learned that there are 2 tropics, one in Tropic of Cancer and the other is Tropic of Capricorn. So, Pakistan lies to the north of Tropics of Cancers. 2. The country covers a long stretch of land, and climate in one place is quite different from that in another. As we know, Pakistan is a large country in terms of area. Here is an interesting point, that Pakistan is the 34th largest country of the world in terms of area. Because of such a large area, Pakistan is a home of many landforms. Due to variety of landforms, the climate of one place is quite different from that of another. 3. The hottest month is usually June. Summer season starts from April to July, and from mid of July of August season of monsoon rainfall starts. So, the month of June is hottest in the whole month. 4. The hottest place is Jacobabad. There are many hot and clod places in Pakistan, well known in the whole world. The hottest place is Jacobabad. That is also considered as hottest place in the region. Dear students, here is a table highlighting temperature and rainfall in cities of Pakistan. These are very interesting facts, so be attentive. Students, this table actually gives us some facts and figures regarding average temperature of 2 months, January and June, while the other important information is annual rainfall of different cities, and rainfall is given in millimeters. Let's find some interesting facts. The first city is Jacobabad. The average temperature in January is 15.1, and that is 36.9 in the month of June, with annual rainfall of 110.4 mm. The next city is Quetta, the capital city of the province Baluchistan, and the average temperature in January is -2.0, and that is 25.6 in the month of June, with annual rainfall of 260.8 mm. Students' next city is known as City of St. Smulton, and the average temperature in January is 12.7, and that is 35.5 in the month of June, with annual rainfall of 186.8 mm. The next city is Nokkundi. The average temperature in January is 11.3, and that is 35.1 in the month of June, with annual rainfall of 35.3 mm. Karachi, the capital of the province of Sindh. The average temperature in January is 18.1, and that is 31.4 in the month of June, with annual rainfall of 217.3 mm. Lahore, the capital of the province of Punjab. The average temperature in January is 12.8, and that is 33.9 in the month of June, with annual rainfall of 628.8 mm. Peshawar, the capital of the province of KPK. The average temperature in January is 11.2, and that is 33.1 in the month of June, with annual rainfall of 403.9 mm. Murree, the hill resort of Punjab. The average temperature in January is 3.7, and that is 20.6 in the month of June, with annual rainfall of 1789.3 mm. So, it is hoped that you learned some interesting facts about the average temperature and rainfall of main cities of Pakistan. Dear students, in order to summarize the table, can be said that 1. Some places have very severe winters and temperatures can drop very low. For example, the temperature in Quetta has been as low as -16 degrees Celsius in winters. 2. Temperature in the summer can also be well above the average. 3. Jacobabad once recorded a temperature of 53 degrees Celsius, and many weather stations have recorded temperature above 49 degrees Celsius. Dear students, again, another question. How to know climate of any place? Just brainstorm, we already discussed this. Well students, there are many factors of different places help us to know about the climate. So, there are some factors help to know climate of a place are 1. Study of rainfall, average rainfall pattern. 2. The direction and frequency of winds. Direction and frequency are important to find the climate of any area. 3. The amount of vapor in the air, or we can call it humidity. 4. Apart from the above, some other factors also help to know the climate of any place. Dear students, do you know climate is influenced by many things? What are the things which influence climate of a place or region? Well, my dear students, climate is influences by following. 1. Hills and mountains can stop rain from falling in some places. 2. Strong winds can bring rain clouds to some areas. 3. High up in the mountain it is very cold. 4. A place close to the equator can be cold if it is in the mountain. Students, this was all about today's lecture. Hope you have learned some new information about the climate of Pakistan and learned some interesting facts about the temperature, rainfall and some factors which help to know about the climate of any place. If you have any question, please ask from your subject teacher. Thank you for being attentive throughout the lesson. Take care. Stay blessed. See you in our next session. Bye.